Hey guys, this is the third week of September 2015 and today I've got the top 5 Android apps for the week. So without any further delay, let's get into the list. At number 1 we got this app called Droid Optimizer. So what do you do to keep your battery life longer in your phones with low battery capacity? Turning off screen brightness lower, or not using the phone as frequently as you wanted to, or some other ways. Droid Optimizer helps you a lot with optimizing your phone's battery life. At the main screen you see some basic stat on how much storage and RAM you have been using. When you push on free RAM, you'll see all the currently running applications divided in two main sections: user apps and the system apps. If you push on close apps, most of the applications get closed while some still remain active. You can individually close these applications according to your requirement. The one-touch speed up features in the app is also very helpful. You can also set time on your phone for automatic cleanup and specify what you want to clean, whether cache clean or background app killing, and even clearing your browser's history. Another interesting feature in the app is called Good Night Schedule, which lets you create a good night schedule that disables Wi-Fi at a specific time frame that is specified. This really helps in saving battery power. The app also lets you disable any unwanted applications that you don't want automatically start up during boot up. There are other features like privacy advisors, which shows you the list of these applications that are considered suspicious. When you tap onto the app manager, you will see all the information required about all the applications in your phone, like the default application manager in your phone. This is a great app for those who don't want to root their phone but are willing to have greater control over their phone. This is a free application in the Play Store, so guys, go ahead and download it for yourself and extend your phone's battery life. Well, next application in the list is called Alarmy. Waking up early in the morning is quite difficult to most of us, including me, and when you don't have a proper alarm application, it gets really worse. Well, Alarmy will solve all these issues. This is a free application in the Google Play Store with various techniques, interesting techniques that will make you wake up. Alright, there are three major techniques. The first one is to take a photo from your phone's camera. The second one is shake your phone for certain time. And the third and final and interesting one is to solve a mathematical problem. So the first option, you initially take a photo of something in your room which will turn your phone's alarm off. All this effort will hopefully make you not go back to bed again. The second option is quite easy. You normally have to shake your phone for a certain time to turn the alarm off, and maybe after shaking your phone for a certain time you don't feel like getting back to your bed. The third and the final and the interesting one, as I said, is to solve a mathematical problem. They have a scale from easy ones to hard ones depending on the skills, but if you're good in maths, this could rather be more addicting every morning. Again, I'll be leaving all the links for all these apps in my description section below. You can go ahead and check them out anytime. The third application in the list is called Drippler. Drippler is a very cool application in the Google Play Store with over millions downloads that lets you find the latest news and all other cool Android tips and tricks, as well as helps you finding out the general answers for all your Android related questions through a community. In the community, the Android users around the world post their interesting questions relating to Android, and depending on the question you start getting comments instantly. This can be very useful to share ideas and information from the users. The other section of the app is called My Trips, which is basically a summarized Android news. This could be related to mostly optimizing a device, interesting functionality, and many more. No doubt this is my best app for getting Android related news. You also have a cool discussion forum, which is cool if you want to have chat with people and share information. Under discussions you have three sections: trending now, Android, and your phone's model. In my case it's the Samsung Galaxy Note 4. So this is another interesting app in the Play Store, all the latest and greatest news for Android. So please go ahead and download this app and you're good to go. Screen Recorder is another cool screen recording app in the Play Store, among other several apps. The reason I like this among others is because of its simplicity and ease of use. The user interface is pretty neat. You've got a little camera icon to tap on to start recording. If you go to the settings, you can change the interface to minimal, select the recording folder locations, change the video resolution and recording quality, frame rates and many more. There is also a gesture control support for stopping recording by shaking the phone. Other than that, you can also get a paid version for $2.88 to avoid all these ads and unlock some pro features. This app will be very helpful for those who have got gaming channels on YouTube and all that. So this is another free app to try out, so please go ahead and try this app. The last application in the list is called Torrent Life. This is simply the best torrent downloader for Android-based devices. This application helps you download large files like movies, music, softwares, games, and any kind of entertainment media to your Android devices very fast. I use this app so often in everyday basis. This allows you to connect to peer-to-peer websites like the Pirate Bay, Kick-Ass Torrent, and many others to download files and content straight to your Android devices. You can also buy a pro version for $5.25, but I'm quite happy with the free version that I have. So if you are someone who likes downloading stuff, it's a must-have app in your phone or any other Android devices. So guys, these were the top 5 applications for this week. If you want to have a look at the top 5 Android apps for the last week, I'm definitely going to leave a link of that video in the description section below. This is all for today, and I will see you in my next video, the top 5 Android games for the week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share, subscribe and comment, whatever you can do. This really helps. Thank you again.